Welcome to the newly renovated Fayette County Home provided by ALE Housing. This spacious and pet-friendly home offers 5 beds, 2 couches, and a variety of accommodations to ensure a comfortable stay. Step into a modern space with classic traditional touches, featuring a well-appointed chef's kitchen equipped with all the bells and whistles. The open floor plan creates a seamless flow between the kitchen, dining area, and family room, perfect for everyday living and relaxing. Conveniently located within walking distance to shops, restaurants, and entertainment, this home provides the ideal blend of hotel convenience and the comfort of home. Situated just minutes away from Trilith, downtown Fayetteville, and Fayette Piedmont Hospital, and downtown Atlanta, you'll be in the heart of it all. Set on a 1+ acre lot with a fenced yard, this home offers ample space for outdoor activities and relaxation. Guests have full access to the entire home, including the oversized 2-car garage with automatic opener and remote access. At ALE Housing, we go above and beyond to make your stay exceptional. Enjoy high-speed internet, a monitored alarm system with a customized PIN, and the convenience of walking to nearby amenities. Book your stay with ALE Housing and let us make your home away from home comfortable and convenient. Confirm your stay today.